Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ifoma. For today's video, I'll be doing a luxury bag unboxing from the brand Babala. They sent me their Diane bag and we are going to unbox it together. This is the package. I have not opened it, so we'll be doing an unboxing together to see what the bag looks like. I'll be rating it on the quality, the craftsmanship, and the overall look of the bag. So let's get into it. This is what we are working with so far. This bag is sealed. Nothing can get into here. It is so tight. I don't know what to do. So this is how it looks. Moment of truth. It came with a little booklet with the bag info on the booklet. It also came with this little letter of authenticity. There's a little card. And this is how it's looking so far. Ooh. Oh my God. Guys, can you see the quality of this bag? Jesus Christ. Wow. How it's looking. The quality is top notch. It has like a little opening over here. Guys. Okay. It also has a little buckle, gold hardware. Inside, it comes with straps. It has this big one, which I don't really think I will use, but it has this little one. Let's open it. You can see the protective coverings, which I'm taking out. I love this strap. I think I'll use this. I don't care for this, so let's keep this aside. This is how it's looking on the inside. It has a zipper. Inside, little jelly. You also have that protective covering on the zipper. And I don't know if you guys can see. You see, there's an inscription on the little buckle here. And it says, it's so, I can barely see, but I think it says Louis Vuitton. It's so gorgeous, guys. I am blown away. I cannot even tell you. Look at, you see the stitching of this bag. Babala, they have the most quality dupe bags. If you are looking for an affordable option, I would say go for it. And let me add the strap. Look at, you also have, the strap also have that inscription. This is so good. That is, this brand, they never disappoint me. You guys remember I have reviewed a bag for them, the Hermes Birkin. I have reviewed it. In case you have not seen that, I'll link it for you to watch. This is how it's looking so far. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so in love with this bag. Do you see? This is top notch. Top notch. So guys, it might be a bit noisy and I'm so sorry, I apologize, but I wanted to bring this bag outside so that you guys can see the quality of this bag. I'm so sorry for the noise, but look at the quality of this bag. Look at the stitching. This is so gorgeous. You see the inscription on the hardware, the gold hardware, and you see the inscription here too, and you see it on this little buckle, and it is also here on both gold hardware, the handle of the bag. And I have not even finished like taking out all the little protective covering, but I also wanted to show you that it is also, see how the bag is inside, and you see the protective covering. Babala, they really care. I'm trying to take this out. They really care about the quality of the bag. They are going to protect the bag, and everything will be in a very good shape when you get it. The logo, the inscription is also on the zipper. This is so cute. This is just a nice portable bag that you can wear on a daily basis, and like for dinner, little events, you know. I'm not really into like logos and stuff, but I think this is so minimal that it will just fit perfectly into your closet. I love this bag. I wanted you guys to see in like natural lights the quality of this bag. Oh my god, I am so in love. So I am so happy with the quality of this bag. Look at how it's looking. I am impressed. I will leave all the links in the description box. Unfortunately, I do not have a discount code because this bag is super affordable compared to the original price. It is super affordable. So everything I will link in the description box in case you are interested. I will say check Babala bag. You will be blown away. For the Hermes one that I already reviewed, which I will leave in the description box, you can go there and watch it. That one I do have a discount code. if you're interested in that bag. You guys, you have seen me wear that bag on different occasions. It is top notch, and now I have another one. Thank you, Babala, for collaborating with me on this video and sending me this gorgeous, beautiful bag. I am so grateful. I am going to love and rock this bag throughout the summer and in the coming fall and winter season. So guys, take care of yourself. Thank you for watching, and do give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Like I said, all the links will be in the description box, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye. Bye bye.